I've noticed here that the honeysuckle leaves are turning a real purple colour. And I've never seen them doing this before. If I just bring one over, you can see that it's really, really purple. Now, honeysuckle usually starts budding really, really early in the year. It sort of grows under the canopy of the forest. It's very protected from cold weather. So it sort of buds in the middle of the winter and it doesn't lose its leaves till really late. But it's been so dry, a lot of the trees are turning yellow early, so it must be its coping mechanism. Honeysuckle is also a very suckering plant, so it sort of suckers everywhere around where it grows, and that's kind of one of the ways it spreads through a forest. And it's sort of growing up this hedge here, and it did sort of flower and everything very early, but it's yeah, the leaves are going this weird purple colour. Which is kind of unusual. So this must be the coping mechanism for the honeysuckle, and it seems to just be fine. Like a lot of the other trees that are losing the leaves early, the buds are there just waiting for next year. They seem to just be sort of coping with it, just shutting down. You know, like in the monsoon forest on either side of the equator, you get this area where you have a dry season and a wet season. And during the dry season, all the leaves fall off the trees, just like they do in our winter. So I suppose our trees have the same kind of coping mechanism, and sometimes they just lose their leaves early, so they haven't got to lose all that moisture through the leaves, but they just sacrifice from being able to grow a bit bigger just to be able to kind of retain the moisture they've got, and then to go into a period of dormancy earlier. But I'm wondering if we're going to have a change in the weather, you know, if it starts raining again, are these trees going to throw up a little bit of late growth? I thought they might do, but for now this honeysuckle is going purple, and that is really kind of very unusual. I have also noticed that with this honeysuckle there don't seem to be any berries on it at all. If I just find an old flower head just up here, this is what they all look like. You see, where the flowers have been, they've got some kind of semblance of berries forming, but it looks like they might have sacrificed a large part of their crop, or maybe all of their berry crop, just to retain water.